Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be solving this interesting equation using three different unique methods. The first method we'll be using is algebraic manipulation, and that is the easiest method. So what we do here is that we take minus a to the other side of the equation, and we do that by dividing the power of both sides by minus a. 296 to the power of minus a divided by minus a equals a to the power of 1 over minus a. Minus a cancels minus a. 296 equals a to the power of minus 1 over a can be written as a to the power of minus 1 or to the power of 1 over a. So also a to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 over a. So we have to the power of 1 over a as 296. Then we'll write 296 as 4 to the power of 4 equals 1 over a to the power of 1 over a. By studying the two sides of the equation, you'll see that 1 over a equals 4. So therefore, a equals 1 over 4. Correct? That's the first and the easiest method. Let's move to the second method. So for the second method, we are going to be using the more standard logarithm. So to use the logarithm, let us also bring this to the other side. So we have 256 equals a to the power of 1 over minus a. Then taking log of both sides, we have log 256 equals log a to the power of minus 1 over a. According to the law of indices, we can bring 1 over a behind. So we have log 256 equals 1 over a log a to the power of minus 1. We can rewrite log 256 as 4 log 4, because 256 is 4 to the power of 4. Then we have 1 over a log a to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 over a. Then by directly comparing them, we can see also here that 1 over a equals 4. Therefore, a equals 1 over 4. Second method correct. Now before we go to the third method, guys, let me know in the comments which method you think is the best for you. So this third method is quite more advanced. It's one of the most advanced of the three methods. We are going to be using the W function. We use the Lambert W function to solve this. So we have 256 to the power of negative a divided by 256 to the power of negative a equals a divided by 256 to the power of negative a. 256 cancels this, then we'll be left with 1 equals, according to the law of indices, this one can be converted to a negative power and it multiplies this negative power to become positive. So we have this as a times 256 to the power of a. 256 as e ln 256 all to the power of a. Of course, we know that when we raise a logarithm to the power of its base, it gives us the argument. So this is the same thing as 256. So we continue and say 1 equals, when a multiplies this power and gives us a times e to the power of a ln 256. So next we multiply both sides by ln 256. So ln 256 times 1 gives us ln 256 equals, then here a ln 256 times e to the power of a ln 256. Now we take the W function of both sides. So we have W function of ln 256 will give us a lane 256 as a property of the W function. So here we divide both sides by lane 256 so as to solve for A. Lane 256 cancels lane 256 and we'll be left with A equals W function of, we can write lane 256 as 4 lane 4 divided by same thing also 4 lane 4. And as a property of the W function here, we know that the W function of x lane x will give us lane x is a property. So therefore A would be equals W function of this will give us lane 4 all over 4 lane 4. Then we can say lane 4 cancels lane 4. Then we'll have A equals 1 over 4. Correct. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video, and also let us know in the comments which method do you prefer, and if you have a question let me know in the comment section. Have a good day.